Amadu. Rich. Oh, you're a very good coach.
Wow. Because all best Sami Diamond team with Karela. Three.
And we shouldn't forget before I say we know. No, I could be any.
I could say
more baby any good stars.
Could no redeem
Say no in a Juma because
he's very good.
Rich, we need to put some attention on some coaches.
Go from Kim Faisa to Samatex, now Karela.
Yes.
He's doing so well.
Say all per results a question of us no. Me who results I was like, wow. Yes, me Casa Karela and to me Shebediama, they can beat them on any day. But Rich, that was rich results, Manu Nyayano. And coach reading. I think that I will start paying very, very good attention to Nejuma or any day we all see no. Or start catching my attention. Pa. Rich, Saturday, no, we ended the show with what could possibly be the results between Basake and the Heart of Lions. And you seem to have a belief that Heart of Lions Enkolusu against Ghazali. And power Makocho draw. And yet the best of results there. But Rich, achieve the intent of Heart of Lions team now. Baby, I do know. Clubs now more tough for him, no. Rich, if they are not losing away and they are winning at home, a chesa or ye be biasa or betting me aqua league. Now, Ubeka Saturday na ye didn't come and make catch out say, Coach Samuel Bodu on Timmy Fabricum Chelsea. I shall has since our free house, no. Last season, a house Echo Shea Bricum 3 or Shane 3-1 Fie Echo Shane will Bricum. Rich this season was I sent home and away him. And Mekacha will say someone would anti me and Chengis Adiana. Rich, the discussion of young Pabu Watara, yes, I for some Bodumano. Rich, and so you know go so because Watara no, some Bodun to me, Shano. Now, so how's special Rich? This season, in all the difficult games, Ahas Ako picking wins in the piano. You can't say the story without Mauli Wayo. And only the theaters are. So how's to quite aware? The way they defend and place our route one into space for runners, is suiting Mauli Wayo. Almost so keep person, no more long ball into space. That is what Mauli Wayo is good at. Rich, running into those space or pace. And or you're powerful. No more ding. And I never help you. And she has a boss our born aware. Rich, Mauli Wayo is always dangerous when he is playing in that kind of. So how's he go home? Where they are expected to possess and play in short spaces. Rich, who said that Mauli Wayo very, very threatening our heart steaming. But when they go away, when they cast your mind back to game no more our TNA against Mediama. When they say any away game be a has for famous win Mauli Wayo and Hubomuno. They play with a lot of great away chino, defend with their lives, and when they play Sabono into space, Mauli Wayo is always dangerous. Now, Rich, I will want to be fair. Tema Benjamin Asari, Ekoda Blasters bar for front. He came back conceding some weird goals. Yeah, discussing how supporters be near and say the contract extension. Our move from my branch, na hano. Rich, since in between Benjamin Asari Ekoda Blasters by. Now, Obe consider those goals now. Has any agree yet to extend the contract? No, he is back to his best. And Enra Obi Okupiemu Obrekum Biase has Inyame was Benjamin Asare. Me, I don't subscribe to his argument because he's part of the team. Or the team, the German is about preventing goals. So you have no preventing goals now. Don't say and can you no, I am fine and can come. And Enra, he won the NASCO man of the match. And almost he was very, very, very fantastic on that day. And see, Rich, the big teams in there, you don't play with them for long. Ojuju no so on Baba Betiao. Karim Zito, Eba Afuforo. In the first press conference, I say, Emma Kotoko for expecting good football. No other Diana. Because Rich and Nahim Kotoko are playing very, very nice football.
What's our friend boys in Tennessee?
And
it is you from Momobono. Wiki Bia or the boys in the Bobono. Who's improvement that shall say back.
You see, men try say, make sure me can be brave with Kotoko Semino. I don't want to go ahead of the story. But Rich, Senka, I'm questioning the Eko Yankameka. And to say, of course, I saw Mamenka. The Mbaba Kanye. Come on up, Prosper Ogumono. I bet Amwa a Prabayeno. I know Kwam Pokusu Kotoko. I registered for the second round. After he tried playing two of them in the same game. And today, be an almost a formation, accommodating both Albert Amwa and Kwam Poku. There were sometimes because of Omutu Bontino, Kotoko had to sacrifice midfield numbers and accommodate those two players now. Now, had to, for instance, Kotoko against Heart of Lions, Pando. No, Rich, Zito Subayeno, he is facing the same problem. Ayakwa says, Kotoko training grounds were near profiling players. Rich, you want to find a way to play both Kwampoku and Abetamwa on the field. Afei Nazito be more ne say ne finishing yet. Ne team no start a ball game in the camera. But ntimi fa ball no nto matinem. And I don't know why you adwuma. And even against Bekum Chelsea in the semi-finals of the FA Cup, Zito again in the post-match press conference say they played very, very well. But ntimi have finished them. I don't know because that is what he has been working on. Rich, then the next Kotoko game, Kotoko Asha 4. They strike actually 2 goals. And they played very, very well. Another thing, Zito Bayeno, Kotoko also need a formidable right back. And to Kotoko, he just is play FIIFI equal right back. Then Obo Intimenu as a number 6. Intimenu is not 6. Intimenu a box to box number 8. Rich, all of a sudden, Enra, Yanko Samba O'Neill. You deploy because there's Henry Ensu and Ablo as 4 and 5, and there is Samba O'Neill Ako number 6. And Rich Enra, he played very, very well in the number 6 role. And see, maybe there, visibly, I am seeing gradually an improvement on the Kotoko team since Karim Zito Ebayeno. And Rich, only the hear me there. So what years are Gidi Mone Hamzamu recording over your Mona Rich Sanka Ogum this season. Sanka Yeni game a Ogum Asha 4. And come here so comedy for you trying papa. But Ogum Asha Vision 4 until Omuta and ye to say oh let me nim grass your players and let me as go say and on TV as and very, very good win for Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Samba Ona as defensive midfielder and the goals a flow for team my friend Kotoko strikers and Rich.
Yama telephone number 0322083581 A3582 A3583